Okay, next up, let's get into the ForgeBox module of the week. And since we've been talking about these JavaScript helpers, I went and found those ones that Eric made. So we have the first one is vue-helpers. So this is specifically made to make your life a little easier. I know that Brad showed you or told you about the BIF, but this one here is a vue helper. So it's a collection of helpers interacting with VueJS. So basically, it's a prop. It takes a prop in and serializes all the values for you and using vue prop. So you have prop value. So you can, if you have like a vue code, you've got your component and you have a binding for myProp equals, you can just basically put that variable with a prop function. It'll just take care of all the stuff you need to make it friendly. So because basically this one, it would be, you'd want to encode for attributes, but it's also JavaScript as well. So that's why I think he has both. So you're doing JavaScript attributes inside of, HTML attributes with JavaScript inside of it. So you have to escape it twice. So anyway, this is a nice little helper there. And then also a relative one for the newest stuff, we actually have a vite-helpers. So if I search for vite-helpers here, so Vite is the new cool, fast, way better than everything, and it works with Vue and everything else too. Actually, everything's moving to use Vite these days, but so this is a little Vite plugin.
Is that how you pronounce VITE? Is Vite? Because I would have said Vite.
Yeah, it's
Vitey.
Yeah, people pronounce it different ways, but Evan Yu pronounces it Vite, I believe. But it's like Dino. If like the node variation Dino, they had an interview with someone with that, and that guy actually said, well, we started calling it Dino, and then we decided, no, it should be Dino. So now we have to accept both because we said both at one point or the other. So yeah,
that's funny.
So everyone pronounced different ways. And in the same podcast that one of the representatives from Dino called it both. So I think they're just confused. But
that's hilarious.
Yep, exactly. So, but yeah, so there's Vite helper, vue helper. Again, they're just little helpers that just do a couple of different things, and maybe the serialize will work in most cases, like Brad said. But I know that I've tried to use the default one, and I think Eric's done some work where it just didn't quite do what he needed to do because of the way we're using props and Vue. So anyway, that'll do the trick. So yeah, there's your ForgeBox module of the week. That was our ForgeBox module of the week, brought to you by Modernize or Die Podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.